Welcome back. It's now time for Midday Sports.
In what could be her final race before heading off to Japan for the World Athletics Championships, five-time World 100-meter champion Shelly Fraser-Pryce headlines 8 Jamaicans slated to compete at the Brussels Diamond League meet in Belgium today. The decorated 38-year-old sprint legend has a season's best of 10.91 seconds for the event and is coming off a 4th-place finish at the István Gyulai Memorial Meet in Hungary on August 12. She'll face off with red-hot American current world leader Melissa Jefferson-Wooden, who has a personal best of 10.65 this season, and another American, reigning world champion Sha'Carri Richardson. Fraser-Pryce was in a reflective mood on Thursday's eve of the meet.
For me personally, I think over the years I've been able to really push the boundaries of what's possible and really just from a mental standpoint, break barriers, because sometimes our minds can be barriers as well, where we limit ourselves to what we can achieve. So I'm grateful that I was able to do things on my own terms and really push the boundary of what's possible and doing more.
Jefferson-Wooden says she'll be facing one of her inspirations when she lines up alongside Fraser-Pryce.
The 2022 season for me, and just seeing her dominate the way that she did, it did nothing but motivate me to be at least half of the person or half of the woman that she has been for our sport, and especially in the sprints.
The women's 100 meters is scheduled for 1 p.m. Meanwhile, national high jump champion Romain Beckford will be the first Jamaican in action when he contests his pet event. Also in the field, national record holder Daniel Thomas Dodd is listed for the women's shot put. Newly crowned national record holder Ralford Mullings will compete in the men's discus. He'll face off with reigning Olympic champion Roger Stoner. In all other events on the track, reigning world champion Antonia Watson will line up in the Invitational men's 400 meters, while Anjanette Knight will contest the women's 400-meter hurdles. Meanwhile, informed Jamaican sprinter Oblique Seville says Wednesday's Lausanne Diamond League meet will be his final race before the Tokyo World Championships in Japan. Seville romped to victory in 9.87 seconds in Lausanne to register a second win over American world and Olympic champion Noah Lyles this season. He had also beaten Lyles at the London Diamond League meet on July 19. When asked if he would compete again before the Tokyo World Championships, Seville had this to say.
I don't think so. I think Tokyo, this is my last, and then Tokyo.
Seville owns a personal best of 9.81 done last year. He also has a season's best of 9.83.
And that's the Midday News package. I'm Kerry and Simpson. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the News, Sports and Production teams, good afternoon.